Hello Cancerians, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of December 2020. We will try to touch upon all the areas of your life, and we will start the reading as usual with the theme of the card for this month, for December. And here we will try and see which theme is actually ruining your month overall, and most of the time this card actually relates to each and every week of your life of that month. So let's see how are the cards for you. And before we flip the cards, I would like to share my contact numbers with you. If you're watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel and then press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the new video notification which comes on the channel. Also, reach me on 8448901791. Email me on blossomlifetarot.com. If you need to get your personalized reading done, you can WhatsApp me, you can Telegram me, or you can visit my website as well, which is www.blossomlifetarot.com. So let's get ahead, and please bear with me, I have a bad throat today. So let's get ahead. The very first card of your reading is the card Hope. So it is a very positive card, and I want you to have a look also of that card, because it's very beautiful. Just look at it. Can you see that one pigeon, white pigeon in the sky, and this fairy is looking at that pigeon right now. It looks beautiful. That pigeon is hope, and it tells you that don't lose hope. No matter how the situation is right now in your life, no matter how people are treating you right now in your life, there is a better tomorrow coming towards you. And I know you're waiting for that, and then it is worth waiting for it, because it is going to get you good results also very soon. Okay, so let's move ahead with the very first card, which is your theme of the first card. Just excuse me. So the very first week of this card is it is good news, I will say. And why I always say that the theme of the month card always connects with at least any of your weeks. At least it will be a continuation of messages from there. So the very first week talks about the closure of one phase of your life. One chapter of your life is getting closed and the other one is getting started, and that's a very beautiful sign. Why? Because if you were not going through a very good phase in your life, if you were feeling very problematic recently in your life, then I think that so this week is going to give you very good results in terms of closure of one thing in your life, and a new chapter is getting started in ahead. Okay, and you might see, as I told you, that maybe people are not in your support right now, Cancerians, but then I think in the coming future, the time which is coming forward is that even if people are against you, even if they don't agree with your idea, very soon you will be in a position wherein you will take your decision, and then you will not care about people, because you don't care who thinks what about you. That's the very first thing. Very strong message going to a lot of people, saying that listen, I will do what I want to do. I don't care what you think about me, because I really don't care. And you are standing still on your decision, on your stand, whatever you have taken. That's a very strong sign, Cancerians. Okay, unlike you're not getting emotional in this month at all. That's a very beautiful thing happening to you, a strong Cancerian. Second week, it is a progress card from here. So from here you're moving to Six of Wands. So whatever you decided, whatever your stand was, when you move ahead in the second week, your stand is appreciated by people, because you have succeeded in your event. Whatever decision you had taken, Cancerian, you have succeeded in that, and now you're a proud Cancerian, saying that see what I wanted, I have done that, and no one was able to stop me, and I'm a proud winner. And that's what you will see on your face also. Second week is all about achievements, winning arguments, winning over things. Also, if in relationships you were not able to get agreement from a lot of people, I think second week will be a decision making week, wherein you're taking your final decision about your relationship with people, and you're getting married, or you're getting engaged, or moving towards the next level in the relationship. Also, if you were thinking to buy a house for a very long time and you wanted to be in your own house, I think that wish is getting fulfilled in the second week. You will either renovate your current house, you will buy a new house. So property is there on cards, and renovation, new things, new surrounding is something which is very much there in your cards. So renovation, new property arrangements, engagement, moving to a new house with your spouse. Those are the things which are ruling your card in the second week of December, and that's a beautiful energy, right? First and second week. Now moving to the third week, I think your decision did not really went well with a lot of people, a couple of people who did not want you to move or maybe progress in life. The problem here is that when a discussion happens, everyone contributes to the discussion, and then they actually reach to a conclusion. This is what we think and all. Okay, so this is how that happens. But then now here, what is happening is that no one wants to agree to other person's point. That's why the communication problems happen here. And why are they fighting? The ego is the main reason for them to fight. Ego is not letting them to surrender. Ego is ruling your cards in the third week. So stop yourself, refrain yourself to get into any kind of a discussions, any kind of arguments in the month of December, because that is going to invite a lot of arguments in your life, a lot of I will say a lot of refrain yourself. It is going to invite a lot of trouble for people around you. And then because ego will be ruling those discussions, so there is not going to be any concrete decision or any kind of conclusion coming out of that decision. That's important. So please take care in the third week specifically. Do remember that what is gone is gone. If you will fight and you will pass on those kind of comments to each other, the rude comments to each other, then it is not going to make peace in anyone's life. And whatever said is said already, so you can't really take back those words also. So be careful what you really talk to other people with. Be careful what exactly you are passing as comments on other people, because that is going to impact your life in the long run. So please be careful. Okay. Our last week is all about getting your emotions intact. Be strong enough, because the way you were strong in the first week, that kind of strongness is required in the last week, because otherwise the overthinking will actually doom all your decisions, doom all your your thinking, whatever you were thinking, the plans you were doing, or maybe there's a decision, there's a secret which is also coming out in light for a lot of people. So secrets coming out, that can also happen. So be careful. Okay. You can take help from God, you can pray to God, you can pray to your angels to guide you and then give you the right kind of a path in the month of December. God will help you. You're anyways emerging like a winner in the month of December. So I am not very worried about you from that perspective. But then yeah, overall December is going to get you happiness by end of it. The sun has here to bless you rather in the month of December. So with you all the happiness and everything, the only thing you have to take care of is in the month of December is, guys, you need to just control your tongue and then control your behavior. There's a message which has come in for you. I'm taking it as a message for you, since this card has just got out of the deck. Things are not as they appear. So things might not appear as they are in front of you. There will be a second side, other side also of the coin of the relationship. That's something which is which you need to take a look at very carefully. Also in love, it is not really there's a very very beautiful quote. I had read it on one of the tarots when I was doing that. The lower the price of your love is, the higher the value of it is. The more demanding you are in a relationship, I want this, I want that, the more lower your price will be. You have a price tag. But then the lower your expectations are, the more love you get from the other person. So that's what you need to take care of, Cancerians, in the month of December. Cards are beautiful. Angels are talking beautiful about you. You are a winner in the month of December. You're going to achieve a lot of things in life, and that's what you need to take care of also here. Again it says, take care of your throat chakra. Angels are helping you to lovingly speak your truth, accept your truth. And also in the third week, please maintain your calm, please maintain your patience, because ego might spoil a lot of things with you and with the people around you. Okay, so take care. God bless you. Be happy, be nice to people around you. Please be connected with the Blossom Life Tarot, and I will keep on posting your videos. We are entering in a new year, and very soon I will post the annual forecast for all the signs for the year 2021-22. Okay, bye bye.